Ever had an idea so perfect, so revolutionary, you were like, this is it. This is my way to be a millionaire. This is how I quit my job and move to the mountains. And then 5 minutes later, you're like, never mind. Deletes the note, throws phone across room, stares at ceiling in shame. Like just the other day, I was making toast and thought, what if toasters had a camera so you could see the toast in real time? No more guessing, no more burnt bagels, just perfect golden brown. And I will call it Toast Cam 3000. And my brain went, cool idea. Also, you invent something? With what budget? You couldn't even figure out the group project login in 9th grade. And just like that, poof, the Toast Cam 3000 is dead. So why do we do this? Why do we go from Eureka to, who even are you? Let's unpack it mentally, emotionally, and with very poor decision-making skills. Chapter 1, the Eureka to Nope cycle. Here's how it usually goes. First, you get a brilliant idea, like mind-blowingly great. I should start a podcast about awkward elevator rides. And then you'll begin the immediate spiral. Wait, do I even own a microphone? Will anyone listen? What if my voice sounds like a confused goat? And lastly, you'll be having a self-roast session. Never mind. I'm built for silence. And the idea dies. Like a houseplant in my care, excited at first, forgotten in a week, and then crispy. This is the Eureka to Nope cycle, an emotional roller coaster, but it only goes down.
Chapter 2. Childhood voices still in the group chat. Let's be real, this isn't new. Half our internal dialogue sounds like our 3rd grade teacher who once said, maybe art isn't your thing, just because I drew a horse that looked like a haunted vacuum cleaner. Or our aunt who asked, you sure that's a career? When we said we wanted to become a blogger. These voices, they move in, rent-free. Still decorating your mental apartment with motivational posters that say, don't try. You might embarrass yourself. Chapter 3. Social comparison, the soul crusher. Oh, and let's not forget the silent assassin. Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest. You come up with an idea, all proud of yourself. I'm gonna start a handmade candle business. Then you scroll and see someone who already did it, except their candles are shaped like miniature castles, smell like success, and they have 800K followers and a golden retriever. And you're like, okay, I'll just light a Glade plug-in and cry. Social media is basically a museum of everyone else's finished products, while you're still staring at your pile of sticky notes and wondering if fonts matter. Spoiler, they don't. You do. Chapter 4. Micro wins. The unsung heroes. Now here's where it gets wholesome. You don't need to build the whole rocket. You just need to tape a paper straw to a balloon and say, look, I'm a NASA intern. Small wins, my friend. Micro victories. You made the logo? Win. You Googled how to start a podcast? Win. You didn't immediately say, nah, stupid idea. Big win. Every time you act, even a little bit, you build trust with yourself. It's like making friends with your brain again. Like, hey buddy, we can do stuff. I believe in us now. Let's go make candles shaped like cats. Chapter 5. Imperfect action. Chakri, perfectly fine. Perfection is a scam. Who told us that things need to be flawless before we start? You don't need $1 million setup. You need a phone, an idea, and maybe a friend who will lie and say, this is genius. The trick is to do it badly first. Write the bad script, record the awkward intro, make the thing even if it kind of sucks. Because if you wait until it's perfect, guess what? You'll still be waiting in 2049 in your adult pajamas, yelling at the toast cam that never got built. So next time you get an idea, don't throw it away. Don't let your auntie or 8th grade you or the Instagram candle gods kill it. Write it down. Start small. Do it scared. Do it weird. Just do it. You don't need to change the world today, but maybe you change your own world just a little bit. And that's the start of something great, or at the very least, a slightly less burnt piece of toast. All right, go drop that idea in the comments. Yes, that one you almost buried under 3 layers of doubt and a bag of chips. We'll wait, and hey, reply to someone else's idea too. Hype each other up. This is a safe zone for genius and chaos.